Hello dear students. In this video, I want to teach you how to draw a sphere. First, I draw a circle. Practice a few times until you can draw a good circle by hand. Or you can even draw piece by piece and very slowly like an arc of a circle. It takes a little practice and repetition, and after a few times of practice, you can draw circles easily. In the next step, test the side of your pencil as I taught in the previous video, that the side of the pencil is smooth and soft, and then start applying the shadow. The shades start from very light grays. As you can see, first I shade around this circle and the bright parts. And then I shade the rest of the parts. I have created a soft shadow as the first layer. Then I define the shadow of the sphere on the surface. It looks like an oval. Considering where to place the light on the sphere, we determine the location of the shadow. Now I add the gray layer to the sphere. I leave the places that are pale as they are. I will add a little shade to the places that are darker. Grays fade from dark to light very slowly. There should not be a border between the shadows and the light on the sphere. We have to move very smoothly from black to white. I add the shadows very slowly and with patience and precision. Layered and soft and slow. Wherever there is a need for more darkness, I shade it more. Do not rush at all. Do not try to create blackness by pressing your hand. Try to achieve the desired gray and darkness with more layers and patience. If you press the pencil too much, your work will be ruined. In the next step, I use the tip of the pencil and draw the shadows around the sphere very slowly. I very carefully separate the space on the sphere from the background space. I move my finger very softly and slowly over the whole work to soften the shadows. And if the blacks decrease again, I will add gray layers. Make sure the shadows are soft. It is important that there is no border between different degrees of gray and that it goes from black to light very smoothly. I check the smoothness of the line and border around the sphere again. Now I draw the shadow of the object that fell on the ground. This shade is quite dark. Now I can blacken here with hand pressure and make the border between this shadow and the sphere completely black. Now I check the previous shadows a little and add black to achieve the desired three-dimensional volume. Soften and fade the shadows wherever you like with your finger. In the end, I clean and arrange the sphere around with a paste eraser. This exercise is very important, and I suggest you draw this sphere at least 10 times. This skill will help you a lot when drawing faces. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you have any questions, write them in the comments and I will answer them. Good luck!